very warm welcome to everyone. My name is Aryan Mele, student of St. Joseph Bethany Convent High School. It's my honor to anchor our school's welcoming program for the year 2021. So we will begin our program with a prayer song. So for that, I would like to call Christina Thomas.
You are my refuge. You are my fortress. You are my friend in need. You are my Lord. I will worship you with all of my heart. I will seek your face with all through my life. I will serve you, Lord, with all that I have. Here I am. I will worship you with all of my heart. I will seek your face with all through my life. I will serve you, Lord, with all that I have. Here I am.
Now for a welcome speech, I would like to invite Ravi sir.
Namaskar. Myself Mr. Ravindra Bhavarthi, a senior teacher of St. Joseph Bethany Convent High School. What a golden opportunity to express few views in front of you. First of all, I would like to thank our Honorable Managing Director, respected principal, sisters, teachers, non-teaching staff and my dear fellow students. Welcome back to St. Joseph Bethany Convent High School. This is a new year, a new beginning, and things will change. Now, time to rise, time for school. Open your eyes. At last, this beautiful day has arrived. I am sure you all have been eagerly waiting for this day. Do work hard, be kind, and punctual in your work. And teachers are assured that you will receive flying colors in your future. Children are the backbone of society, and parents' support is must. We appreciate parents for their support. Every academic year means new beginning, new adventure, new friendship, and new challenges. Slate is empty, fill your future. What we learn with pleasure we never forgot. Once again, I heartily welcome my dear children and our teachers to this academic year. Hope all things will clear soon. Stay home, stay safe, stay healthy. 2 गज की दूरी, मास्क है जरूरी. जय हिंद.
Next, for presidential address, I would like to invite our principal Sister Hridaya SIC.
My dear sisters, teachers, parents and students, have a blessed day to all. Good values and fear of God is the hallmark of success in life. If a community is to improve its economic and social well-being, it needs people with a good experience and right education. As we know, due to an invisible virus, the whole nation has locked down itself. During this pandemic situation, we all are forced to depend on the online platform in every sphere of our life. Considering all the challenges of our time, we are starting our online studies. It will help us to cover syllabus and maintain the flow of study. Dear students, the success of online studies depends on our group work. At the same time, the success at a great extent depends upon you, my dear students. It needs your self-discipline and dedication. You should have a goal of what you want to become in your life. My dear students, even though the class is delivered online, the teachers will be there to help you and clarify your doubts, and they will be monitoring and assessing your performance which will be recorded for the further evaluation process. Have a blessed academic year. May the Almighty bless you all. Thank you.
Next, for a short message, I would like to call Reverend Sister Pratiksha, local manager and head mistress of St. Joseph Bethany Convent Kids School.
Good morning, one and all. On this special day with a joyful heart, I welcome you all, little ones, to our St. Joseph Bethany Kids. Dear parents, childhood is the time of rapid development, physically, intellectually, socially, and emotionally. So let's join together and witness the growth of a youngest school days. Every child is a gift of God with a bundle of talents. We teachers and parents have a vital role to flourish their hidden talents. During the pandemic period, we can trust in God and do our best. May God bless us all. Thank you.
Next, for inauguration and inaugural address, I would like to call our AEO, Mohite sir.
असतो मा सद्गमया तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमया मृत्योर्मामृतं गमया ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति.
Best of luck to all my dear students. From today onwards, you have to learn new subject and new syllabus. Due to existing pandemic, all the schools were conducting online classes during the last year. I congratulate principal and teachers of St. Joseph Bethany Convent Schools for conducting online classes and assignments effectively. Remember, the hard work is always sweet. So, attain your goals and objective. Once again, all of you, best of luck.
Next, I would like to call a parent, Sneha Sokhamniji, to express her views.
Respected principal and teachers, I, Sneha Sonkamble, parent of Laksh Sonkamble, studying in 8th A, I would like to appreciate the work done by our principal and teachers of St. Joseph Bethany Convent School, who have taken great effort to conduct online class for students in this pandemic period. We all know that it is not possible for the children to attend school, and because of that there is a great loss of their studies. I am happy and I really appreciate the way teachers have stepped up in conducting online class so that students can learn new things and the time is not wasted. The videos sent by the teachers related to topic and the explanation make more easy for the students to understand it and learn. My son is I am happy to see my son completing his projects, work and submitting it on time. As a parent, I request all the other parents to cooperate with the school so that the management can run it smoothly in such hard times. Thank you.
Next, I would like to invite a charming kid, Disha Advani, from the pre-primary section.
Good morning, teacher. My name is Disha Advani. I am a girl. I am 5 years old. I am in senior KG. My school name is St. Joseph Bethany Kids School. I love my school. I love my school, my teachers, and love go to school.
Next, I would like to call Disha Makhija to share her experiences during the pandemic situation.
Hello everyone, myself Disha Makhija from Standard 10th A. So as we all know that COVID-19 had a volcanic effect on everyone throughout the world. The teachers and the students had a great impact of it. Earlier we were in the face-to-face system of the education, but now everything is in the online mode. From lectures to exams, everything is conducting through online mode. Many students do not have good connections of Wi-Fi or internet, and they have to face difficulties in clearance of their topics. The teachers also have to face problem to convey their ideas with the students as there is no one-to-one interactions. But problems are like washing machines. They twist us, spin us and knock us around, but at the end we come out brighter, shiner and better than before. वो कहते हैं ना, लहरों से डरकर नौका कभी पार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती. Though the online lectures cannot substitute the offline lectures, but this is the most easy and possible way which we can do in these difficult times. We have to face with it firmly. So in the end, I would like to wish everyone for the new academic year. Let's hope this new academic year brings success and good luck in everyone's life. Stay home, stay safe, be positive. Thank you.
Next, for felicitation, I would like to invite Bharti teacher.
Hi, good morning everybody. I, Bharti Dora, the senior teacher of our school, wish you all the best for the academic year 2021 and 2022. As we all know, COVID has shut down the schools across all the world, whereby teaching is undertaken remotely and on digital platform. Making use of these opportunities, you all will do the best once again. So once again, I wish you all the best. God bless you all. Thank you.
And next, I would like to call Deepa teacher to express her good wishes on this occasion.
Hello everyone, myself Deepa Jethani, senior teacher of St. Joseph Bethany Convent High School. On behalf of all, I would like to welcome our charming Munchkins to this academic year. Here is a beautiful quote said by Lord Buddha. Patience is the key, because when the right time comes, it will be very beautiful and totally worth the wait. Hope you all have enjoyed your vacations. Now get back to your studies. Thank you.
Last but not the least, I would like to invite Vinita teacher for vote of thanks.
A warm good morning to all. On behalf of St. Joseph Bethany Convent School, I, Vinita, the PRO of the school, sincerely extend my thanks to our educational officer, Mr. Mohite sir, who had spent his valuable time to inaugurate our new academic session. I also extend my thanks to our management, principal, teachers, my dear students for making this program meaningful. Thank you once again.